Hi, my name is Gwen and I was born in Manado, North Sulawesi. You probably heard of this place before. No? Well, this place has so much to offer, with amazing culinary, fast nature, and great people, like me. No, coming back here, I visited different places, met tons of new people, and also reconnect with long-lost relatives. And so far, here are some of the things I like and dislike from this beautiful place. This list comes from my personal experience and it may vary to other people. It's for fun. Don't be mad. Okay, so where do I start? What's the fun in listing good things? So let's start with the things I dislike from my hometown, Manado. Going out, or in other words, bapontar, is one thing Manadonese loves doing. Therefore, socializing is what we do here. So in gatherings with friends, what other topic of conversation is better than talking about other people?
Kita so bilang kok apa dia, tani mau kalau cuma pemega mas.
Bagaimana, Le? Banyak apa bagus foto cuma di Mega Mas?
Iyo.
I think that's literally what I meant gitu loh. Kayak back in Jakarta, I was always thinking of whether I'm a smart person or not. But
Just like Donald with the kids, you know?
you sure?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just so hard sometimes to like have.
Lihat. Pefasum dorang dari mana kan?
Sampai anak dia. Sadap dia marah.
Kurus, bercacing stok. Kita lebih suka kalau putih, lebih bersih, rupa ubi jakupas.
Dia tuh bitis. Dan rupa bitis mah paus.
Dodo,
Now this, my friends, is what we call Carlota. Carlota means
sayang,
Oh Tuhan.
bagaimana Nana? Nana lihat tadi ya, Nana kenal enggak? Iyo, itu dokter OP cucu kuat dia.
Oh dia itu
Iyo,
kan?
baru balik dari Inggris kuat dia, ada S2.
Oh.
Mar, jauh-jauh sekolah di luar, balik-baliknya di kampung.
Emang nggak pindah sini dia?
Apa dang?
Dulu
I totally get that this is how people joke around here, and it is funny to some, and in no way do they mean harm. But I'm here to point it out anyway. I love Manadonese.
Dodo, kalau
Oh Tuhan.
Next, restaurants, cafes, the place to enjoy good food and socialize. Also, where you will encounter occurrences similar to this. Missy.
Tante, kasih tau gue di mana Intan sekarang. Kalau gue hancurin tempat semua.
Sembarangan kamu ya, tante-tante. Nama saya itu Madam Dolly.
Gue nggak.
Cewek. Missy.
siang udah bagila.
Siapa
Itu
Le?
anak sebelah, no?
Kasiang. Siapa dengan ada Pireno
Iya, mau
dia?
bagaimana lah kita, tuang mali, Jo.
Moments later.
Permisi.
Iyo no?
Missy, cewek. Missy.
Oh iyo. Tunggu sebentar ya. Iyo.
Send the menu. This leads to hanging out in these places. This is gonna annoy some people, but I often switch between English and Bahasa Indonesia, and very often I would only use English, especially when speaking to my sisters or my close friends, as I would forget how to say some words or phrases in my own language.
Weh, jangan sok Inggris lah.
Mohon maaf mengganggu kenyamanan Anda. I'm working on it. And for a lot of people here, seeing me, who looks like this, speak in a foreign language, it's weird, which results in... Yeah, I actually live in Paso. It's this area in the highlands. It's near Danau Tondano. It's one of the landscapes there, like the major landscapes. It's huge. Yeah. Yeah, it's actually so fresh there. Everything's fresh. The food is fresh. Just everything.
Fresh Mart, yeah. Fresh Mart.
Yeah. What do I eat? I mean, I eat rice every day mostly. Yeah.
Rice, iyo, rice, makan banyak. Iyo.
Yeah. Oh, this staring. Finally, this is probably the thing that bothers me the most. here. You will encounter this thing everywhere. Restaurants, in relatives' place, in the nature, in transportations. You will encounter these plastic cups. It's everywhere and it's giving me nightmares. Just kidding, but at times it would literally feel like this. And those, my friends, are some of the things I am not a big fan of in the city of Manado and its surroundings. But jokes aside, I love so much things from Manado, like its culinary. Woo! Spicy. Also its fast nature, but mostly the people. Everyone here is so friendly and they literally act like family, even when they're strangers.
Permisi, Bu. Makan? Oh iya, makasih, Nek. Maju makan.
This makes me feel so at home. Communities here are so well integrated and everybody is welcomed. I am super glad to be here and I will cherish every moment. So what are some of the things you dislike on coming back to your hometown? What are the things you love? Let me know in the
Comments down below.
Thanks for watching. Also, thanks sister for, starring in this video.